How to fix YouTube download option not showing. So if you want to fix your YouTube download option not showing, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you can go with your YouTube. On your YouTube, you need to go with search and search for an video. And after that, once you've searched, you will have the download option. You can simply go with the bottom right, which has that three dots, and you will have download video option, right? After that, you'll be able to download it. But if you're not being able to download that, then you can open up your Play Store, go with your search, and under search, you need to search for YouTube. And here, if you have any updates under your YouTube, you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also tap and hold on to your YouTube, tap on app info, and now tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to go back and open up your YouTube. Now, if you're not being able to find the download option for only specific videos, then that means the owner of the video has not set it to download. Like for example, if you go with a few videos, then you won't have a download option. As here, as you can see, that it doesn't have a download option, but only few videos will have download option. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.